but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah. Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my... Run it up, we run it up. I don't ask questions, run it up, run it up.
Hey besties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In tonight's video we're gonna be unboxing my new Macbook. Oh my god, y'all, I got a Macbook Air, and y'all probably can feel that fan in the background because it's hot in my room. Like with these lights on, it is hot, so deal with it. Alright y'all, so the time is, it's 10:35. It's 10:35. I'm shooting this video. Alright y'all, so I'm back. Let's just say that I've been wanting this MacBook for a real long time. Like, I've been wanting this MacBook for a real long time. Shout out to my mama for getting it for me because she knew I wanted it. Like so that been on my little Christmas list ever since Christmas, and I finally got it. This is my graduation gift. She gave it to me early, and I was so excited to unbox it for you guys. So if you made it this far in the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, because I still got y'all another video coming. I'm gonna give y'all what's on my iPhone 15, so stay tuned. She already ripped this little part. Like, what? Okay, it's fine. See, I have a MacBook Air. Let's go ahead and get a little thumbnail. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh my god, let's should I tilt y'all down? Should I hold it? Let me tilt y'all down. I don't want to be crooked. I want to get all the good angles. You feel me? Oh my god. Let's open it. Like, let's actually open it. Oh. Come on, open that. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, it smells spanky new. Like, oh my god. Okay, yeah, let's tilt y'all back up. You know, lines on my camera is from this like light. So if y'all see that when y'all see this video, not my fault. Okay. So the first thing we got is the little design by Apple. Oh, it was designed in Canada. Okay, look at this, y'all. I don't know why I don't want to focus, but y'all see it. Then it come with, oh, it come with stickers. MacBook instruction, which I'm gonna use, cause baby, I don't know what. Okay, you can FaceTime on here. You got a menu bar. You got a docks. You got, okay. Okay, come with a Type-C USB port. Okay, and it comes with, you know, like the butt part for the charger. Okay. Got the stickers on the manual. Let's turn this bad girl on, because let's see what she's giving. Okay, let's take this. Oh my god. Okay, paper's off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gotta be careful, you know. Sit y'all back down. Let's turn out this way. And this side you open it. How you take this off? Oh, it smells so good, y'all. Oh my god. Let's put you back. Back just a little bit. Okay. The line's gone. Okay. So I think it's the mini version or it's the big version. Oh, it's the big version. I'm taking out my whole camera. Okay. Look at she. Oh my god. Okay. How you turn you on? How do I turn you on? I don't see no turn on button. Wait, is this? Is that the turn on button? See, I should do my so it take a type C USB. Wait, can I put my thing in here? Hold on, let me get something right quick. Let me make sure if I can put this thing in there. This is how I get my footage. It's an SD card reader. I'm gonna see if I can put it in here. And I can. Okay, it can fit. That's cute. Okay. I don't quite know how to turn you on. I probably need to let her charge. So, cause she's not coming on when I press this button. So, yeah, let me. Oops. Let me undo this cord. So this thing is for type C. Okay, we're gonna put you in here. Boom. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I think this is the mini version of your Apple laptop. Cause I mean it's big to me, but it's the mini version. And I'm glad. Sorry y'all, I keep doing it. Not my fault. I'm just gonna let it charge a little bit and then give y'all like the be setting it up. But this is, oh my god, this is my charger in my Macbook. Like, and then we ain't on that iPad 10th generation no more. We on MacBook Air. Yeah. Oh, flick it off. I'm sorry. Yep. New iPhone, new MacBook in the same month. Who you know? Get in with me. Get in with me. Let me charge her up. I'll be back, y'all.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system settings.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of the day look like? Hey Siri, play some music.